If your Chevy Trax is giving you the cold shoulder when you plug in your iPhone, don't worry, the fix is usually simple. Statistics show that over 85% of smartphone integration issues are caused by faulty cables or simple software glitches. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the dashboard. Start with the basics by verifying your cable is Apple certified and ensuring your USB port is free of debris. Your iPhone settings might be the culprit, so double-check that Siri is enabled and your content restrictions are off. If the phone is fine, try a hard reset of the Chevy infotainment system by holding the home and fast-forward buttons. Wired connections usually fail due to physical hardware, while wireless issues often stem from signal interference. Nearly half of all reported issues are solved simply by swapping out the USB cable for a high-quality one. If all else fails, perform a clean slate reset by deleting the connection from both the car and the phone. If the USB port won't even charge your phone, you likely have a blown fuse or a disconnected hardware module. Keep your iPhone updated, as many connection bugs are fixed through standard iOS software releases. With these steps, your Chevy Trax should be back online. Hit subscribe for more tech fixes for your ride.